Hi students, welcome to the last session of investment accounting. That is the 56th session. In this session, we will be solving problems again on bonus and right shares. So on 1st April 2013, Sundar had 25,000 equity shares of rupees of X Limited at a book value of rupees 15 per share. Face value of that shares is 10 rupees, whereas the book value is 15 rupees. So on 26 2013, he purchased another 5,000 shares of the company at 16 rupees. Okay. So again, ಮತ್ತೆ 26ಗೆ ಜೂನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ 5,000 ಶೇರ್ಸು 16 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. The director of X Limited announced a bonus share and right shares. The director of the company ಎರಡು ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. No dividend was payable on these issues. ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಶೇರ್ಗೂ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ 1 ಶೇರ್ 6, 1:6 ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಶೇರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 1 ಶೇರ್ they'll give you. If you have 6 shares in the company, you will get 1 share. Right basis, if you have 7 shares, they'll give you 3 shares. Okay. So bonus, I told you, you should not pay anything. For right issue, you have to pay 15 per share. What is the due date of payment? 30/9/2013. Bonus share is issued on 16th August and right shares is issued on 31st August. Okay. Next, shareholders can transfer their rights in full or partly. Accordingly, Sundar sold 33.1/3% of his entitlement to Shekhar for a consideration of 2 per share. What they are telling is, your right shares na ನೀವು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? So, Sundar sold 33.1/3 out of the total right issue, 33%. Okay, 33.33% to Shekhar. ಶೇಖರ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ? 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ. ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡೆಡ್ 31/3/2013 ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20%. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೇರ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸುಂದರ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 31/10/2013. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟು ಸುಂದರು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ 31/10ಗೆ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ 26/2013 ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ 15/11/2013 Sundar sold 25,000 equity share at a premium of 5 rupees per share. Okay. So 15/11ಗೆ ಸುಂದರು 25,000 ಶೇರ್ಸು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಬೆಲೆಗಿಂತ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸುಂದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್. ಸೊ what we will do as on 1/4/2013, what is the balance? Number of shares 25,000, income 2,50,000, principal amount 3,75,000. Okay, how did you get this? You can see here that the adjustment is like this, that as on 1/4/2013 25,000 equity shares of X at a book value of 15 per share. So when you do 25,000 into 15, you will be getting 3,75,000. Okay, actually the value is 25,000 into 10, 2,50,000. The principal amount is, it is 15, so 3,75,000. Next, in the month of June, to bank extra 5,000 shares he buys. Okay, 5,000 shares. What is the income actual value? 50,000. See here, they are telling you 5,000 shares of the company at 16 per share. So 5,000 into 16, you get 80,000. Okay. Next, after June, July, August. August is 16th. On 16th, bonus share were issued. You know, in the question only, question alle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ bonus share issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು 16ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 16ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, 6 ಶೇರ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋನಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 25,000, that is the starting one, plus 5,000 divided by 6. So what is the number of bonus shares? 5,000. So that 5,000 only we have posted it right here. 5,000 at the rate of 10, so 50,000. Principal amount nothing will come. 16th August admele September. Okay, right shares. Okay, right shares calculation we will see in the adjustment. Just see here, entitlement of right shares, that is 25,000 plus 5,000. Again 5,000 will be your bonus share divided by into 3 divided by 7. Andre for every 7 shares you have, you are going to get 3. So what is the right shares? 15,000 shares. So that is what is mentioned here. You can see that it is 15,000. What is the principal amount you should take? 15,000 is the number of shares. Okay, but what is the actual rate? That is what is important. So bank, by bank sale of rights, how much you are getting? 15,000 shares, right shares 15,000, isn't it? Nodi, right shares is to 15,000. 15,000 at the rate of 33.33%. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 31st 10/2013. ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 20% dividend on 5,000 shares. So 5,000 into 10, 50,000. 50,000 20%, you will get 10,000. These are all principal amount. Don't write it in income column. Next, buy bank sale of shares. So whatever 25,000 shares they bought, they are selling it. So purchasing debit, selling credit, it will come. 25,000. The income is 25,000 into 10. And principal amount is 3,75,000. Next, after that you can see in the month of September itself, this is the November transaction. September, you can have a look at the September transaction. See here, right shares. Okay, right shares to bank 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares are sold at how much? They are saying clearly in the problem. What is the problem? They are saying about the right shares. See, let us go back to the question and see what about they are saying about the right shares. See, right shares is sold to say Shekhar at a consideration of 2 rupees per share. That is the remaining share. Okay, so because of that 10,000, that is 10,000 into 10,000 into 10 will be 1 lakh. 1,50,000 is the at the rate of what he is selling. Okay, that is the actual rate. So this is 10,000 into 15, that is 1,50,000. Why 10,000? Total right shares is 15,000. See, you know that total right shares is 15,000. In that 33.33% only is taken here. So remaining 66, okay, 66.67% is taken here. So that is sold as, if you say 15,000 into 66.67%, that into the rate will be giving you, that is the 15 rupees, 10,000 barutte. So into 15, if you do 1,50,000, you will get. Okay, so when any kind of sale happens, you should calculate the profit. Here we can look at the working note number 4 for calculation of profit. Profit, how do you take this into consideration? Profit on sale of 25,000 shares at rupees 2 is 50,000. That is the actual profits. Before that, cost of 20,000 shares as on 31st 3 on an average cost method. Average means you should add everything and then you should divide it by the number of shares. That only is called as average. Okay, for 20,000 shares. So let us look at how we got 3,75,000. 80,000, I will tell you one by one. It's given very clearly that 25,000 shares are sold at rupees 2. So this 50,000 becomes the profit that we will be taking to the ledger account here. Okay. So you can have a look at here once again. That is to profit and loss account 50,000 in the principal column. Now we have to see this carried down balance. How did we get? Okay. So to know about the carried down balance, you should go and apply average cost basis. Okay. So what is the average cost basis? 3,75,000. How did you get 3,75,000? It is nothing but 20,000 into 15. How did you get 80,000? That is 5,000 into 16 shares. Into 16, that you get 80,000. 1,50,000 is nothing but your bonus, or what you call it as, not bonus, right issue. So 15,000 shares into 10, you will get it as 1,50,000. So minus 10,000, 10,000. What is this minus 10,000, 10,000? See, you can see that in the problem they are mentioning two things. One is sale of right and dividend should not be considered. They are saying, see, dividend for shares acquired by him are to be adjusted again cost of purchases. They should be adjusted. So that is the reason we are minusing this particular 5,000, 10,000 and 10,000. See here, 10,000 is your dividend. One more 10,000 is your share of right shares. When you sell right shares, that is minused. So 10,000 is your dividend, 10,000 is your share of sale of right shares. So in the denominator you have 25,000 plus 5,000. This two purchased. Another 5,000 is your bonus. Okay. Another 10,000 is nothing but your right shares. So total of the numerator 5,85,000. Total of the denominator 45,000. So for 20,000 how much it is? 20,000 you will get 13 into 20,000. Okay. So when you divide this you get 13 and 20,000, 2,60,000. So that is what is coming in by balance carried down. 20,000 shares. What is the actual value of the share? 10. So 2 lakhs. So what is the principal amount? 2,60,000. This will come as the balancing figure. Okay, same balance is carried on for the next year. This is what is your investment account. Profit and loss account. Okay, debit expenses, losses, credit income and gain. So what are all the profit? You have to write it in credit column. By investment, 50,000 profit we have got. See, in the adjustment already we have discussed. 25,000 at the rate of 2. Then dividend is also an income. So by dividend on 25,000 shares at 20% profit you get 50,000. These two items should be taken to profit and loss account. Hope you have understood this particular session, students. Work out some more problems in the similar manner. Understand, the more you work out, the better knowledge you will have, the better grip you will have. So work out question paper problems also. This is one of the question paper problem. Okay, all the best for your exams. Do well. Thank you. Bye.